Welcome to today's video about the benefits of drinking cumin seed water at night. Have you ever wondered why your grandmother insisted on drinking cumin water before bed? What if I told you this ancient remedy could transform your health overnight while you sleep peacefully? That humble spice sitting in your kitchen cabinet holds incredible healing powers that science is now beginning to validate and understand better. For thousands of years, cumin seeds have been a staple in traditional medicine across cultures. This tiny seed packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals becomes even more powerful when consumed at night. The magic happens when you soak these seeds in water and drink the infusion. Your body enters repair mode during sleep, and cumin water works synergistically with these processes. Tonight could be the beginning of a healthier, more energized version of yourself. Let's dive into 10 remarkable benefits that happen when you make this simple drink part of your nightly routine. Benefit number 1. Enhances digestive health and reduces bloating. Cumin water acts as a natural digestive aid that helps your stomach process food more efficiently. The compounds in cumin stimulate the production of digestive enzymes that break down nutrients better. Drinking it at night allows these enzymes to work while your digestive system rests and repairs. It helps eliminate gas, reduces uncomfortable bloating, and prevents acid reflux during nighttime hours. Many people notice reduced morning stomach discomfort when they drink cumin water consistently before bed. Benefit number 2. Promotes quality sleep and fights insomnia naturally. The minerals in cumin seeds, particularly magnesium, help relax your nervous system and muscles effectively. Cumin water contains compounds that regulate melatonin production, the hormone responsible for sleep-wake cycles. Drinking it before bed calms racing thoughts and prepares your mind for deep restful sleep. Unlike sleeping pills, this natural remedy doesn't cause grogginess or dependency over extended periods. Regular consumption can help establish healthier sleep patterns and improve overall sleep quality significantly. Benefit number 3. Boosts metabolism and supports healthy weight loss. Cumin seeds contain thymoquinone, a compound that naturally accelerates your body's metabolic rate during rest. When consumed at night, cumin water helps your body burn calories more efficiently while sleeping. It prevents fat accumulation by improving how your body processes and stores dietary fats properly. The drink also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which prevents late-night cravings and snacking. Combined with proper diet and exercise, cumin water becomes a powerful tool for sustainable weight management. Viewers, have you struggled with late-night cravings that sabotage your weight loss goals? Drop a comment below and let me know what time you usually get those cravings. Benefit number 4. Detoxifies the liver and cleanses your body systems. Your liver works hardest during nighttime hours, filtering toxins and processing waste products from blood. Cumin water contains antioxidants that support and enhance these natural detoxification processes happening within you. The cumin compounds help flush out accumulated toxins, heavy metals, and harmful substances from organs. It also stimulates bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and removing waste efficiently. Regular consumption leads to improved liver function and overall better internal health and vitality. Benefit number 5. Strengthens immune system and fights off infections. Cumin seeds are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and iron that boost immunity significantly. These nutrients help your body produce more white blood cells that fight bacteria and viruses. Drinking cumin water at night gives your immune system hours to absorb these nutrients. The antimicrobial properties in cumin actively work against harmful pathogens while you sleep peacefully tonight. Consistent intake can reduce the frequency of common colds, flu, and other seasonal infections remarkably. Benefit number 6. Regulates blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. Cumin water helps stabilize blood glucose levels by improving how cells respond to insulin naturally. The compounds in cumin slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. Drinking it before bed ensures stable glucose levels throughout the night and into morning hours. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Better blood sugar control also means reduced hunger pangs, better energy, and improved metabolic health. Viewers, Are you dealing with energy crashes throughout the day or sugar cravings? Comment yes if you want more natural remedies for blood sugar balance. Benefit number 7. Reduces inflammation and relieves joint pain. The active compounds in cumin possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling and pain. Cumin water helps decrease inflammation markers in your body that cause chronic pain and discomfort. Nighttime consumption allows these compounds to work on inflamed joints and tissues during body repair. Many people with arthritis and joint problems report reduced morning stiffness after regular consumption nightly. The antioxidants also protect cells from oxidative stress that contributes to inflammatory conditions over time. Benefit number 8. Improves skin health and promotes youthful glow. Cumin seeds contain vitamin E, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties that enhance skin health from within. These nutrients fight free radicals that cause premature aging, wrinkles, and dull complexion over time. Drinking cumin water at night allows your skin cells to regenerate and repair themselves. It helps reduce acne, blemishes, and skin infections by purifying blood and removing internal toxins. Consistent use leads to clearer, brighter, and more radiant skin that glows with natural health. Benefit number 9. Supports respiratory health and eases breathing issues. Cumin water acts as a natural expectorant that helps clear mucus from respiratory passages. The anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling in airways, making breathing easier throughout the night hours. It's particularly helpful for people suffering from asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies that worsen. The antimicrobial compounds fight respiratory infections and prevent bacteria buildup in throat and lungs. Better breathing during sleep means better oxygen circulation and improved overall health and energy levels. Viewers, do you or someone you know suffer from breathing problems at night? Share this video with them and tell us in the comments which benefit surprised you the most. Benefit number 10. Enhances brain function and improves memory retention. Cumin seeds contain compounds that protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. These neuroprotective properties help improve concentration, focus, and cognitive abilities when consumed regularly at night. The antioxidants in cumin water reduce inflammation in the brain that impairs memory and learning. Better sleep quality from cumin consumption also enhances memory consolidation that happens during deep sleep. Over time, this can lead to sharper mental clarity, better recall, and improved brain health. Dear viewers, from better digestion and deeper sleep to accelerated weight loss and glowing skin, cumin seed water offers remarkable benefits that work while you rest. The best part is that it's completely natural, affordable, and easy to prepare. Start by soaking 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in warm water for a few hours. Strain and drink the water 30 minutes before bed for maximum benefits and optimal results. Your body will thank you as you wake up feeling lighter, more energized, and healthier. Give this powerful nighttime ritual a try for at least 2 weeks and notice the difference. Remember that, while cumin water is generally safe, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new wellness routine. If you found these benefits valuable, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Try cumin seed water tonight and experience the transformation yourself. Your body will thank you when you wake up tomorrow. Stay healthy, sleep well, and we'll see you in the next video with more natural wellness solutions.